Your teacher spent years teaching you about animals and somehow forgot all the good stuff. Here are 8 animal facts so wild they should have been on every test. Number 1, the grudge holder. Crows can recognize individual human faces and hold a personal grudge against people they don't like. For years. Number 2, the sleep buddy. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep, so they don't drift away from each other. 3, the living bullet. Mantis shrimp punch with the force of an actual bullet. A shrimp, a bullet. 4, the regenerator. Axolotls can regrow their heart, their lungs, and even parts of their brain. Science still can't fully explain how. At number 5, the space survivor. Tardigrades survived in open space. No oxygen, no suit, no protection, just existing. 6, the grievers. Elephants are one of the only animals on Earth that hold funerals for their dead. 7, the name callers. Dolphins have individual names for each other and actually call each other by name. At number 8, the ancient one, not the marvels, but on the sea. The Greenland shark is 500 years old. One alive right now was born before the United States existed. And your teacher had the nerve to only teach you about the food chain. Follow for more facts they forgot to mention.